Hey there, Ginger here. I'm super excited for you to start your journey with the magical custom granular herbs today. There are different methods to take the herbs. I'm going to show you my preferred method. So you should have a couple of things before we get started. You should have a bottle of herbs with a measuring spoon inside. You should have a mixer bottle. I like to use these ball jars with these leak-proof ball lids. You can also use a clear water bottle if you don't have that, or a cup technically also works, but the mixing is going to be a lot easier in a bottle so that you can shake it up. And a little chaser, never hurt anybody. So take a look at your herb label. It should have your name, the date, as well as the dosage, and my label says on an empty stomach. That's how they're best taken. So I am going to mix my daily's worth in one go. So my dosage says 2 spoons 3 times a day. And what that means is I'm going to multiply those numbers and get the number 6. Your dosage might be slightly different, so make sure you're reading the label. So I'm going to scoop up 6 of these mixing scoops into the bottle, and it should be slightly rounded, about like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. I'm going to put the lid on and shake it up really good. And then you can enjoy. So in order for me to take a single dose, I'm going to drink about 1/3. And if you want to use a little bit more water than I do, I use about 3 ounces, 3 to 3.5 ounces or so in this bottle. You can use half a bottle if you'd like. Some people like to dilute it, so it will dilute the taste, but then you have more to drink, right? So you can do it any way you like. So I drank about 1/3. I'm going to use the chaser to chase it. Enjoy. That's it. Wishing you good luck to your health.